Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important problems on the topic chain rule. So let's start. See, in this problem, what is given 56 man can complete a piece of work in 24 days. So, in how many days can 42 man complete the same work? Okay. See, in chain rule, we use ratio and proportion. Okay, so first we see how the required parameter varies with respect to other parameters. So we try to find the relation whether the required parameter is in direct proportion with other parameter or it is in indirect proportion with other parameters. Okay, so let's see how we can apply this rule. So it is given 56 man can complete the work in 24 days, and we have to find the number of days in which 42 man can complete the same piece of work. So we will assume let the required number of days be x. So if we see less the number of man, then more number of days will be required to complete the complete work. So less man, more the number of days. Okay, it is in indirect proportion. Indirect proportion. So we will write this in the form of proportion. That is, in first case, 56 man is there. Second case, 42 man is there. Okay, so 42 and 56. Now 42 men can complete the work in x days. So as it is inversely proportional, so its x should be here, and 56 men can complete the work in 24 days. Okay. So by rule of proportion, we know product of extremes equal to product of means. So 42 into x, it should be equal to 56 into 24. And from this, we can find x, and x will be equal to 32. Therefore, required number of days is 32. So our answer will be option number 3. We will discuss next problem. So in this problem, what is given? 6 persons working 8 hours per day. So they can earn 8400 rupees per week. And we have to find if 9 persons will work 6 hours per day, then what will be the weekly earning? Okay. So we can see weekly earning will vary with number of persons and number of hours per day. Okay. So we will assume first weekly earning. Let weekly earning be rupees x, rupees x. Now more the number of persons. In first case 6 persons, second case 9 persons. So more persons, more earning will be there. Persons, more earning. So it is in direct proportion. Direct proportion. And in second case, working hour is less, that is 6 hours. So less number of working hours, less will be the earning. So this is also direct proportion. It is also direct proportion. Now we will write in the form of proportion. So persons, and second one is working hours. So in first case, work total earning is 8400, and second case we have assumed x. Now both are directly proportional. So When earning is 8400, number of persons is 6. So 6, and when X is the earning, number of persons working is 9. And working hours when earning is 8400, working hour is 8 hours per day, and when earning is X, working hours is 6. So by rule of proportion, we can write product of extremes, that is 6 into 8 into X, equal to product of means, that is 9 into 6 into 8400. And from this we can find the value of X. So X will be equal to 9450. So required earning is rupees 9450. Our answer will be option number B. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem it is given 5 men or 7 women. They can earn 5250 per day. So what will be the earning when 7 men and 13 women are working together? Okay. So first we need to find the relation, as it is given 5 men is equivalent to 7 women. So we will assume total earning, let required earning be rupees X, be rupees X. As it is given that 5 men is equivalent to 7 women, because their earning are same, so we are assuming equivalent in terms of earning. Okay. So in second case, 7 men and 13 women. So we will convert 7 men to number of women. So 7 men, it will be equivalent to 7 by 5 into 7. That is 49 by 5 women. Okay. Now number of men and women working together is 7 men and 13 women. 7 men plus 13 women. So it will be equivalent to, we will convert in terms of number of women. So 49 by 5 women plus 13 women. So this will be 114 by 5 women. Now, more the number of women, more earning will be there. More women, more will be the earning, more earning. So it is direct proportion, direct proportion. Therefore, we can write in first case number of women is 7 only, second case 114 by 5, and it will be in proportion to, when number of women is 7, earning is 5250. When number of women is 114 by 5, earning will be, suppose we have assumed X. So by rule of proportion, product of extremes equal to product of means, and it will be 114 by 5 into 5250. So from this we can solve for X, and we will get 17100. So our earning will be rupees 17100. Okay, option number D. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem what is given, 10 men or 20 boys. They can make 260 mat in 20 days. So we have to find how many mats 8 men plus 4 boys working together will make in 20 days. So it is given 10 man is equivalent to 20 boys, because both are making same number of mats in 20 days. It means one man is equivalent to two boys. Okay. So when 8 men and 4 boys are working together, so 8 men plus 4 boys, it will be equivalent to 8 into 2 boys plus 4 this many boys. So it is equivalent to 20 boys. Now you can see it is given 20 boys in 20 days can make 260 mats, and we have to find the same. So number of mats made equal to 260. So our answer will be option number B. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem, it is given cost of 8 fans at 14 ovens are 36,520, and we have to find the cost of 12 fans and 21 ovens. Okay, so cost of 8 fans and 14 ovens, it is given as rupees 36,520. Now, if we take 2 common, therefore we will get cost of 4 fans and 7 ovens. It will be equal to rupees 36,520 divided by 2, and it is equal to rupees 18,260. 18,260. So we have to find the cost of 12 fans and 21 ovens. So when we multiply this by 3, we will get 12 fans and 21 ovens. Therefore, cost of 12 fans and 21 ovens, it will be equal to 3 into rupees 18,260. So it will be equal to rupees 54,007 and 780. So our answer will be option number B. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed some important problems on the topic chain rule. Okay. Thank you.